So I just got to North High School where the Hmong Youth Development Conference is at, and I think I'm running a little late. But let's go inside and see. I just got in, and they're on stage right now, talking a little bit about United Prodigies. So, okay. All right, thank you. Yeah, so about to rehearse real fast. Not too long ago, and it's pretty cool. Couldn't really hear myself because the sound system was something bad happened to it or something, and the whole sound system wasn't too loud. But yeah. Sorry. Back here hanging out with the guys: Kevin, United Prodigy, James, PK, 2 Psych.
Hey, this is Pong, and
what's up, guys?
This is PK from United Prodigies. That's 2 Psycho. And Kevin Yang, wonderful spoken word artist. And Pong, of course, one a really good artist that I absolutely love. And if I can get him gigs all the time, I would.
Shout out to PK. She's so sweet to hook me up with just all these gigs. It means so much to me.
It means much to me, too. And FYI, I told the whole entire audience that you wrote that one song, your Hmong song, for me. So
yeah, it's for PK.
Yeah, it's for me.
Yeah.
For me. All right, there you go. Cool. And have a good night, Hmong.
Thanks. So I just got done over here at the Hmong Youth Development Conference here at North High School in St. Paul, Minnesota. Huge shout out goes to them for just having me. United Prodigies, which is 2 Psych and PK, they're the ones that hooked me up with this performance, and yeah, so it was kind of sweet. It was a little different to perform for high school students, but it was still fun. So hopefully they enjoyed it. And, I got to Carlton, and I'm a little lost, but I think I'll find my way around. But I'm going to my friend Amen's birthday party, and here at Carleton College. So hopefully. Wait. Had a good time here at Carleton College. Shout outs to all the Carleton people. Shout outs to Amen. Happy birthday again, Amen. And yeah, heading home right now. About an hour drive, so should be a fun trip by myself. But yeah, until tomorrow morning. So it's the next day, and I'm currently at a football tournament here in Brooklyn Park, Minnesota. And it's the first one of the year. So the girls over here, the guys tournament over here. Yeah. Team Unite, you got Solo. What's up, Solo?
Camera's cracked.
I know, it's cracked. Yeah. Too lazy to come out. This is still early in the season. All the guys stretching. Playing TCF over there. Should be a fun game. First play of the game. TCF with the ball.
Made something. We got time! Don't jump! Go slow!
That's it, game over. TCF 5, Unite 2. Unite put up a good fight, but TCF was just too much for him. good game to watch. So just got done over here at the football tournament. It was just fun to watch everybody play. Hopefully I have time to just come out and work out with my team and plan the next tournament. But yeah, currently gonna go home and get ready for the Lee Her and Jason Gray concert. That should be tons of fun. So yeah, currently at Neil's house, about to about to go to the Jason Gray Lee Her concert at St. Paul Hmong Alliance Church in St. Paul, Minnesota. And so yeah, I love Jason Gray. I love his music. Probably the best concert that I've ever been to. So going to see him again. So this should be fun.
So me and Neil came to the Jason Gray concert. Are you excited to see Jason Gray?
Yeah, definitely. Cool. Jason Gray.
Oh, I was trying to get all plugged in before you were done clapping and you beat me. Hey! All the lovely losers who never thought you'd hear your name outside is wasted. Nothing is wasted in the hands of our Redeemer. Nothing is wasted. It's from the deepest wounds that beauty finds a place to bloom, and you will see before the end.
We have Jason Gray here, getting his stuff ready. We have some of the Baptist group here. Justin and Jason Gray. We have Jason Gray with us. So we have Jason Gray signing autographs. We have T here, hanging out. We have some cool people over here. Samuel, Oni. You guys are going on my vlogs on YouTube.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah. Say hi.
Hi, my name's Amy.
Yeah. This is Samuel. Hanging out with Jason Gray and Lee Her for the concert.
So after the concert, me and Neil are currently at Perkins, and yeah, we're about to get some good food. A southern chicken platter thing. Yeah, Perkins. We have Michael Jackson over there, y'all. Eating our food right now. Can't believe Michael Jackson is here.
Did you eat your meal? Because we didn't eat
Michael Jackson. So I'm back home now, and really exhausted. But Jason Gray's concert was amazing. I had the privilege of seeing him a few years back too, and just to see him perform again and see how far he's gotten is really awesome. And just performing at HYDC was really fun also. So huge shout outs to HYDC, shout outs to United Prodigies, and everybody involved with that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Until next time.